Okay, so the customer sent us this picture before the installer even went on site, which is great because how that helps us is, of course, we can now prepare with the materials and supplies to do this properly. So what happened was installer got into location, put up the bracket here, and in this case actually ran the electrical up through here in order to be able to have it as a clean install. And then you can see here they attach the SAM stick with, in this case, it's running over cellular, and place that, see here where it's purposely left a little bit loose. That is so if it needs to be serviced later, that somebody at location simply needs to locate the SAM stick. It's just located here on the bracket. Pull it off, drop it down like that, and then you can pop everything off and put a new one in that easy. So that's a very important component of the installs, is we always need to be thinking about how to service the equipment later. It's not if, it's when somebody changes their networking or they have to swap out a media player years from now. We want to make it so you don't have to have a truck roll just to service equipment later. So this is the end install. So you can see nice clean install. Job well done by NEB Solutions that did this this install today. Thanks guys.